Hey everybody! Today I wanted to go over how to slice in Cricut Design Space. It's pretty easy to do, and I know a lot of people are looking to know how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, so if you want to slice a shape out of a shape, we can go over here to shapes. Say we had a square. Make that a little bigger. And we wanted to cut a circle in the middle of it. Okay, there's a circle. I tend to always turn my cut portion, the portion I want to slice out, to white so that I can get an idea what it'll look like. Okay, there's our circle. Put it inside the square. And if you ever want to make sure something is completely in the center and aligned, you just draw a box around both images together, go up here to align, and do center. That will center that circle perfectly on the square. Okay, so we have our two images and we're going to select them both. And you can see at the bottom right that slice is already an option. If it wasn't an option, it would be dim. Okay, so we're going to hit slice. Okay, there's two ways to get rid of what you have left over. The way I do it is now I'm going to drag my white circle over, which I don't want. I'm going to delete. And now the portion that was cut out. And I'm going to delete that. And what you have left is your cutout. And this is very useful when you want to cut out a vinyl and you don't want to layer things. So that would be an automatic cutout. And if your shirt was white, this would appear white in the background. Okay, let's show you how to do it with text. Same process. Let's get a shape. Let's do a heart. Okay, and say we want to have love, the word love cut out of it. Let's type love. Make this a little bit bigger. And turn it white. You can turn it any color you want. We'll turn it blue for the sake of, just so they're two different colors and you can see what's going on. Now with a heart, I wouldn't center this completely on the heart because it would wind up down here. I would just find about where I want it and I would just center it horizontally. So let's go to align, center horizontally. Okay, so we like that there. We're going to highlight both, slice on the bottom right, and again we can pull out our love that we typed, delete that on your keyboard. You can also always use this bar over here, but this just works for me. That's the way I do it, and delete. So you could make this heart red and cut it out of vinyl in red, and if you put it on a white shirt, the white would show through. So that's another way you would want to use it. And last, one other example, maybe a square, and you just want to put a monogram or, you know, just an initial in the center of it. Let's use B. Okay, we'll make this bigger. Turn that white. Put this in the center, and this I definitely want to be centered. Oh, we're going to go to align and center. Okay, we highlight both. We hit slice. Oh, my mouse doesn't want to work. I drag my B that I typed, delete, drag my cutout, and delete. Okay, one thing to know is that you can't do two cuts at the same time or two slices at the same time. So let's get rid of this. Let's put in a shape and say I want to do love, and then I'll do another text box that says Valentine's Day. Let's move this out of the way. Valentine's Day. Okay, so I have my, let's turn this white, top, turn this white. Okay, I have my love here, my Valentine's there, and now I want to cut this out. So I'm going to slice. I'm going to highlight everything. See, slice isn't an option down here on the right. That's what I was trying to say before, that it would be dim. It wouldn't be. It's not an option because we have two things on here. So what you would have to do is move one out of the way. See, it is an option. Slice. Then put your other one in. Let's get this out of the way first. We know we don't want that. Delete. Pull that out. Delete. And where'd our Valentine's Day go? If you can't find things sometimes, it's just because of the way it's layered. Just right click on it, and I'm sending this to the back, this box. So now my Valentine's Day will come up, show up front. We'll highlight that, and you see slice is an option now. So slice. So we're going to drag our Valentine's Day that we don't want out, the cut part out, and that's it. It's that simple. And then when you go to cut, it will cut with those out of there. All right, I hope this was helpful. And I think I'm going to do a tutorial on welding next. If there's anything you'd like to see, again, please let me know. Leave a comment below. I'd be happy to do a tutorial on anything that you are looking to learn. And if you could please like and subscribe, I'd really, truly appreciate it. Okay, happy crafting. Thank you. Bye.